Hello friends, in our previous video we solved some examples of finding LCM by a specific method. In today's video also we are going to practice for finding the LCM of more than 4 numbers. Okay, so now let's read the example. Find LCM of numbers 15, 7, 25, 18, 9. Okay, here also we are going to follow the same procedure of finding the LCM of more than 3, 4, 5 numbers. So our solution will be, write all these numbers in columns as 15, 7, 25, 18, 9. Students, remember here there are 5 numbers. We are going to find out the LCM of 5 numbers at a time. Okay, now is there any even number here? Yes, 18 is there. So we will start dividing these numbers by first prime number 2. Now we cannot divide 15 by 2. So 15 will be as it is, 7 will be as it is, 25 will be as it is. But we can divide 18 by 2. So it will be 2 9s are 18 and 9 will be also as it is. Now is there any even number which can be divided by 2? No, there is no even number. There are all odd numbers. Okay, so now let's start dividing these numbers by the next prime number 3. Now 3 5s are 15, 7 will be as it is, 25 will be as it is, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 is there, so we will divide these numbers by 3 again. 5 will be as it is because we cannot divide 5 by 3. Okay, 7 will be as it is, 25 will be as it is, and 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Okay, now there are numbers 5 and 25, so we can divide these numbers by next prime number 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, and 7 will be as it is. Okay, now still 5 is there, so we can divide by 5 again. So 5 1s are 5, 7 will be as it is, and in the rest of the places there is 1. Okay, now divide this 7 by the next prime number 7. So 7 1s are 7. So ultimately we have 1 1 1 1 1. So in last row we have 1 everywhere. So here the procedure of finding LCM is completed. So this is how we have to find the LCM of more than 3, 4, 5 numbers at a time. Okay, now what will be the LCM? LCM of 15, 7, 25, 18, 9 is product of all these prime factors, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. There is 1 2, 1 7, 2 3s and 2 5s. Okay, students, you should know the tables very well. Okay, and you should know how to do the multiplication of bigger numbers also. Okay, now 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 19, 90 5s are 450, and 450 into 7. You can do the rough work and write the multiplication answer. Okay, so 450 into 7 is 3150. So 3150 is the LCM of these 5 numbers. Okay, so this is how we have to practice for finding the LCM of more than 3, 4, 5 numbers. Okay, in our next video we are going to start with new lesson, square and square roots. Okay, till then, goodbye.